In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Lovable.dev web app to WordPress website. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Lovable.dev, and of course you want to create your app. So in this instance, I just created a simple calculator app, and you want to go ahead and click on the very top far right where it says publish, and you want to publish it to one of the addresses. So you can either add a custom domain or you can just use this domain over here, as you can see on your screen. So whatever it says over here, you can of course customize that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on publish, and it's going to basically publish this within just a few seconds. And once this is publishing over here, once this is doing its job, you can go ahead and open up your WordPress, and you want to sign into your account. And then once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things here on the left. Now, the one you should click on is Pages down here. And then you should be on all pages, so you can actually see all your pages over here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to actually create a new page by clicking Add Page. Now, by doing this, you'll be basically directed inside the editor, where you'll be faced with a new page onto which we can basically embed our Lovable.dev web app. So it's currently just loading. Let this load, and then meanwhile, there we go. As you can see, I just basically published this website over here, and it's now available on this link over here. So this link is very important. We're going to need it, and if I now open it like this, you'll be able to see, there we go, my app is now available on this link. Now, whenever you are on your website site, on your, WordPress site over here, you want to go ahead and add a new block. So you want to click on plus, and then just type in custom HTML, in case it's not showing, and then click on custom HTML. Now, in here, where it says write HTML, what you're going to want to do is you want to write in this specific thing. So this is what you have to write in. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to leave it down below as well, the description. And then you have to basically replace this bit over here with whatever your link is. Okay, so for example, let's say this is my website. You want to go ahead and copy this up here and then go back, paste it in here like that. There we go. And as you can see, currently it is working. And you can just go ahead and click on preview over here. And as you can see, my calculator has now been basically embedded into my WordPress site. So it works, as you can see. And then you can just go ahead and click on publish or save on your website, and you have successfully embedded this inside of your website on WordPress. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.